Understanding the Base 10 System, a beginner's guide. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of numbers, specifically the Base 10 system. This system is fundamental to understanding mathematics and everyday counting. So, let's get started and explore this topic together. The Base 10 system, also known as the decimal system, is the most widely used numbering system in the world. It's called Base 10 feet because it is based on 10 distinct digits. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Every number in this system can be represented using these 10 digits. In the Base 10 system, the position of each digit in a number has a specific value. For example, in the number 345, the digit 5 is in the ones place, 4 is in the tens place, and 3 is in the hundreds place. This positional value system allows us to understand and calculate large numbers efficiently. Understanding the Base 10 system is crucial for performing basic operations like addition and subtraction. When we add or subtract numbers, we do it digit by digit, starting from the rightmost digit. This makes calculations structured and straightforward. Similarly, the Base 10 system simplifies multiplication and division. These operations follow the same positional rules, making them easier to understand and execute. By mastering the Base 10 system, these mathematical operations become more accessible. The Base 10 system is not just for basic arithmetic. It's the foundation for understanding more complex mathematical concepts like fractions, decimals, and percentages. All these concepts rely on the 10-digit structure of the Base 10 system. Thank you for joining us in exploring the Base 10 system. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding this fundamental mathematical concept. Remember, the Base 10 system is everywhere in our daily lives, from counting money to measuring distances. Keep practicing, and you'll master it in no time. See you in our next video.